Hello everyone, it's almost 8 a.m. this morning. We are Saturday and I have a video on YouTube that's really taking off right now. All week it's been really crazy on that video. I've been receiving hundreds of comments and the video is now at 50,000 views, so yeah, it's quite fun, I guess. Yeah, but it also comes with a little bit of challenge because I'm not sure I enjoy all the... I don't mind the mean comments, but I guess the judgmental comments are really what's annoying me the most. And like, stop wasting water, don't eat peaches while you study because it's too much sugar, and the other one that was pretty bothering me was the comment talking about how my parents pay for everything. I hate those judgmental comments because I don't know why. I think it gets to me, and I think it might get to most people too. Because mean comments, it's easy to brush them off because you know they're just coming from people who just want to bother you and be mean for no reason. But the judgmental one, like, sorry, but peaches, I can eat fruits if I want to while I study, because otherwise I will eat some like Oreos and that. Oh, those are pretty worse than peaches while you study. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to open up about that video because it's been really crazy for me this week. I gained like 1,000 followers this week, and I think one effect that it has on me is that I want to create more videos now. I already want to continue my YouTube channel, but I don't know. It's like you never know when a video might take off, and even if all the videos are a lot of hard work, maybe one will be appreciated by people. So today I woke up quite early, as you've seen. Today I have a lot of things to do. I will do my to-do list later and I will show you. But right now I really just want to do the cleaning of the apartment, because every week at the end of the week on Saturday we clean the apartment because like it's always a bit messy from the week. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Sorry, I just woke up, so I'm gonna do a lot of cleaning today, and that's it. So it's almost 9 a.m. I think it's 10 past 9, and I'm doing a little smoothie. I'm trying out for the first time I don't know how you say that, Vive smoothies. So they are smoothie cubes like this that you put in your blender, or not, you don't even need to blend them, but I just tried it out this way. And I added a ripped banana because I really need to do something with it. And I'm adding some soy beverage. I'm updating my to-do list on my Taskade app to check which posts that I already scheduled on my Facebook page during the morning so that I could cross them off. After that, I started scheduling social media posts about the short movie Pearl that Pixar released. It's a story about a woman in a man's world, so that's very interesting if you want to watch it. I'm not really productive. I did some things on Facebook. I scheduled some posts to my Facebook page, Girl Knows Tech, but I don't feel really productive. I think I did a big to-do list for the weekend and it wasn't a good idea because now I feel really overwhelmed. So I can show you what I wanted to do this weekend, but I don't suggest you make a weekend to-do list because it's just so many things. So right now I'm watching my friend Trendlix on her stream, trying to motivate myself, but here's what I wanted to do for the weekend. So I have cleaned the bathroom, clean floors, laundry, apply for the Microsoft scholarship to attend Grace Hopper celebration, plan my Instagram posts for this week, schedule some Women Tech Makers Montreal posts for the week on social media as well, schedule tweets for my own social media profile, reply to Instagram comments, reply to Instagram private messages, and reply to my LinkedIn message. I think I did that this morning, yeah. And reply to messenger message, which I did. So yeah, it's a lot of things. I don't know, I'm very overwhelmed. Maybe I could try to do some Instagram posts while I'm on the couch here. It's an easy task. That's where I'm at in my day. I hope I get more productive, especially since I'm filming this vlog, but sometimes you start the day, it's going well, and then it doesn't all of a sudden. I'm gonna try and keep going. Then I worked on the Women Tech Makers Montreal event, as I was in charge of the social media for the event that happened on March 23 in Montreal. It takes me 2 or 3 hours every week to schedule all the social media posts because I have to schedule them in English, French, but all of that to the Facebook page, the Facebook event, the LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. So I had 2 posts on all those social media for more than a month, so it was a lot of work. Hey everyone, so now it's 12 p.m. I'm gonna work on my to-do list. I don't know what happened in the last 15 minutes. I ate some chips while hiding myself from the camera. But yeah, I don't know what happened. I went to eat some chips and I was by the window for 10 minutes and it gave me some motivation to get started again. So that's what I'm gonna do. I will also start a live stream on my YouTube channel. So I will study with other people at the same time. Well, I say study, but right now I'm in an internship. So if you are actually one of the person that used to watch my stream every day, you might know that currently I'm doing a full-time internship in a company. So that's why I haven't been doing as many live streams as I used to be, because I work from 9 to 5 and I have a lot of appointments and I have some homework to do and things to do with Girl Knows Tech. But I prefer to do it in my PJs, so that's why I haven't been doing as many live streams. I'm taking a break, you could say. So that's for the update, and now I will start the live stream. So yeah, let's get to work. Before starting the live stream on YouTube, I created a new list on Taskade of only the tasks that I wanted to complete for today, so it was less overwhelming than the whole weekend list. After that, I started the live stream on YouTube. Then I continued to schedule social media posts for the Women Tech Makers event because it takes so long. I feel like I will never be finished with that. Then I started applying for the Microsoft scholarship to attend Grace Hopper conference. It took me a long time because there was a couple of questions that we had to respect the number of characters, and it was very difficult to meet that requirement. I just finished working for 3 hours. I scheduled some social media posts for 2 hours, and then I applied to a Microsoft conference scholarship. And now I think I will just have some rest because my brain is really tired. And I'll start working again after that. Let's watch some TV and don't think about anything. Also, I don't know if you were in my live stream today, but it was pretty crazy. I never got so many people. I think at some point there was like 64 people at the same time. I'm getting so many followers right now, it's really overwhelmed. I think today I got 100 followers just like that while doing the live stream, so that will take a lot of getting used to, because I have a lot of trouble with judgmental comments. I need to get better at handling them, so yeah. I'm back. It's 7 p.m. now and I'm gonna get back to working. I don't remember what I have left on my to-do list, but I know I have some Instagram posts to write and prepare. So I might do that, and I might also start editing this vlog. So that's my plan for the moment. So first I looked at my to-do list to see what I had left to do. I also took a picture of my Instagram stories because I am quite active on Instagram. So you should follow me if you don't already. I like to publish about my to-do list and update on my progress during the day. Then I scrolled through my feed a little bit and got to work after. I started by replying to some messages that I had on my Facebook page, Girl Knows Tech, because I don't receive notifications for those, so I often miss them, unfortunately. So I went through them and cleaned my whole inbox. Then I went on Twitter, but please don't be angry at me. I consider social media working on my blog and Girl Knows Tech related tasks. So for me it's working, as I need to be active on social media and reply to people that reach out to me. So then I went ahead and checked those on from my to-do list as completed. I also started to read about the Anita Borg scholarship to see if I was eligible, and I was, so I started applying. Then I made an Instagram story about it because there was still some time to apply, and I wanted to remind people that they could apply if they wanted to attend the conference. Then I decided to change my setup a little bit after many comments on YouTube. I wanted to have my bigger monitor in front of me. After that, I decided to clean my university inbox because my emails are taking too much space, and if we let it fill up, we can't receive emails anymore. Unfortunately, for some reason, I was distracted, thinking of other things, being carefree, and opened a malware in an email.